Welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We discuss matter when they say concern sexual satisfaction and satisfying, enjoying yourself on top wiping matter, on top relationship Friday, and only for husband and wife.
In case they wonder why we don't this wiping something. Now relationship Friday.
Now relationship Friday, now because they discuss this matter, and Pastor Day here, now because they discuss it, and now only for husband and wife. If you are not married, you close your ear.
I know they distract you. Pastor, before you enter, we they sing song when they take grow. Now nameless can't talk say who steal my needle? Danger, my mother needle danger. I put on for table danger. For the danger. I wear rubber.
Anyway, we will begin the call us now. Our phone numbers there on top TV. We go hand over to Pastor Inya. Still on top matter we concern sexual satisfaction.
We could only take their phone call now.
Yeah, we'll take on phone calls now. Continue, Pastor Inya.
Okay, so as we don't establish how this thing they work now, we could just begin talk how we go take improver.
Hello, this guy like wiping. Hello from Warri. Good evening. Hello. Hello, how?
Hello.
Good evening, how far?
What do your name work?
Yeah. Good evening, Nedu.
Ask the question what you want to ask.
Katim day here too.
Hello, Katim, I see you.
You know they crazy now.
How your body they do you?
You don't do me anything, or you dey alright?
Okay. This DJ Easy Beat. Now seminar come, I've been at work, he come.
I don't know.
Hello.
You say this year.
Don't even.
You say this year.
They're not going to pay you, but if not work you day, may you come up for that place because
Hello, you get question to ask Pastor.
Maybe they give her 2 weeks suspension.
Because I say they enjoy the topic. I beg, you get question to ask Pastor about this matter?
I want to commend what the pastor they do. Because the program is very, 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 very educative.
Yes, yes.
Joke apart. We need people
much.
like her for this country so that he go put marriages together so that problem not go there.
Thank you.
Because at times, pastor office is full with husband and wife problem. But if we know the things were involved for marriage, pastor office not go come full with my husband this, my husband that, my wife this, my wife that. So kudos to you, Pastor.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, hello. Thank you. Good night.
Amen. Thank you.
Pastor, over to you.
Yeah, so as we don't establish intro, now one of the first things that we could first start to discuss now, you don't need to be ashamed in front of your husband
or your wife.
Okay. So now that one we go discuss now. Your wife no be your girlfriend, no. And now why we talk say this no be for single people. Now completely different. I don't understand why people, why men or women no feel they vulnerable in front of their wife.
Sorry, Nkem, good evening. Sorry, Pastor. Nkem, good evening.
Why they had like that?
Good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
I do.
Which question you
I
get to ask,
enjoy this
Pastor?
the program and the katim.
Thank you. Thank you. Which question you get
Hello?
to ask? You get a question to ask today?
Yes.
Okay,
I
ask.
say, ba,
Yes.
Nedu, I
Yes.
beg this your dance where you dey dance with your hand where you dey roll, ba.
Help me
That
ask,
dance no be small
help
dance.
me ask.
My pikin do birthday, 8 years birthday did 4 yesterday. Now he start to the dance. Now ask her, which kind dance be this? He said that is the Nedu dance for you. So he said that Nedu dance. So this your dance. Now wow.
Thank you, my sister. Very
Pastor.
Yes,
I think your topic is very interesting. The topic is lovely. We are enjoying it.
Oh, okay.
And is very educating anyway. Especially when we did this kind up north. We dey enjoy this kind of topic. Now some people know they like to talk about, but at the same time, now good topic.
Yes.
Katim, you look very beautiful.
Oh, my sweet baby, thank you so much.
Yes, you are always
Topics.
looking beautiful.
Thank you, Nkem.
All right.
Over to you, Pastor.
Okay. All right, thank you very much, ma.
Francis for Godempa. Oh yeah, come. Francis, good evening.
Good evening. Am I talking to Nedu?
Yes, you are talking to us.
Nedu?
Yes.
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening. Your TV is too loud.
Hello?
Okay, call us back when you don't reduce the volume of your TV. Now, Pastor,
now
before
why
we
you know
continue,
they
make I ask you. You say, this sexual thing now, before I forget to ask this question, what if wife, husband not sabi, wife con dey give skill. Lot of the times when you say husband go don't overdo skill, and wife go don't overdo skill, husband will come begin suspect them.
And well, you know, say for marriage, now two different histories where come meet for one place.
Okay.
Yes.
You know, and it's very hard. Maybe we could discuss marriage also because people for marriage, sometimes when people don't get counseling before they marry, they won't begin deal with the husband or the wife as they marry. And they forget, say, he get life, he get history before he meets. Like one of the things that they always tell couples, your husband or your wife been get friends before he marry you. So when he lose all in friends because he marry you, accommodate that situation. Except say maybe all in friends no try. But if he lose who she or he originally be because he meet you, accommodate there. Because now your history will make you. Okay. Now, as your life, take care.
Sorry, Pastor, no vex, I beg, no vex. From
no
Jack on the good evening.
Good evening.
Kingsley, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, you got question to ask Pastor?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, ask.
Hello, good evening.
Evening, no.
Yes, Nedu, I guess some things to say concerning this issue.
Okay. They talk, they hear you.
Okay. Actually, Pastor, you are saying you are doing a very good job. I would have loved us to, you know, sometimes, if we is possible, to move this to the northern part of the state.
Wow. Okay, well, it is for pipe small. Maybe sometime this year we fit.
Carry the waka.
Yes, come that side.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Pastor, over to you.
Your question now.
Now the matter of overskill.
Yeah.
When you say
okay, yes. So as I
even both sides, though. The husband.
yes, because
yes, why
the husband feed the tell the woman no, do and the woman go say is this all this thing I do? You don't go outside. So if I'm not doing it well, it means you can't do it other girls outside.
But you see, say like we talked before a call. There are histories. Day.
If you lose all your friends before you marry,
you never see people where talk say. You never see women where talk say they don't feel marry man when no get any experience.
Yes.
I don't hear that one.
And I don't hear women, men will say them not feel marry virgin.
So
I know men will say they not feel marry virgin.
You see all these things not just the vast dimension of ignorance. Because if people know, say, all those things, when you marry, who I be? When you know, when couples say they don't want to know who their wife be before. When you reach sexual intimacy, now then, that thing where they don't want to know, now then you go begin hunt them.
Ikenna, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my brother?
I did fine, Nedu.
I know quite. Which question you get to ask Pastor this evening?
Waiting, I want to tell Pastor Seba.
Yes.
Up till now, Pastor never tell the real truth about this wiping of the thing.
Okay, what is the truth when you want here?
Wiping, ba?
Yes.
If they follow gene, is a genetical issue. You get some people where they wipe well, especially Calabar people. Calabar girls, they wipe well.
Okay.
And again, for that Kaduna, you hear me?
Yes. They hear you, my brother.
Instead of that Kaduna, maybe the people where they that Kaduna, they stop too much oil, as in some oil, like their libido, they stay strong.
Okay.
So if you reduce the intake of their oil, especially granite oil, it go make it bad.
Yes, what do they do now? They prefer solutions.
Yeah, will they hear you now?
Yes.
Okay.
And moreover, if some pastors they go they tell their members, say, make them know they drink like shepherd. That's one they also at least if you take 2 bottles of tar, you will go a long way for bed with your wife.
You see,
my brother, it reach when you open trouble.
you see, say your skill. You see that we are not. Say your skill pass us.
When you open shop.
Thank you, Ikenna. Thank you.
You too
Thanks
much.
a lot, so Ikenna.
You call them Ikenna and Sons.
Pastor, continue, man.
Yeah, so people backgrounds also affect them. You know, so anything where you meet for marriage, no be as you meet the person.
Because the person don't get life before you
meet you. So if the person never gets any sexual experience before he meets you, no say now learning. Both of them they go.
Joseph, good evening. You don't cut. Continue.
So you know say now learning.
Yes.
So whether you're sexually active or not, both parties need to realize say in front of husband or wife. no need to be ashamed. And I think where we go, maybe that, and the one where we go discuss.
You know, say you get some kind husband and wife, we know they off cloth in front them.
Yes, the off
One
light.
go enter bathroom.
Off light or
One
enter
go off
bedroom.
light.
Yeah.
Sorry, from Imo, good evening. This matter will go to this thing we talk so now.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I beg if you reduce the volume of your TV. Reduce the volume of your TV.
Yes.
Okay, will they hear you? Which question you get to ask Pastor this evening?
Hello?
Yeah, would that make me say make you reduce the volume of your TV? Continue, Pastor. Continue.
Okay.
People, they be like
That question will you ask now?
Yes.
About not to remove.
why?
Hey, sorry, she say, now people orientation.
You know if it makes in front of your husband or your wife.
You see, when people take the concept of modesty out of context, now the thing will go happen. Because for in mind, you know, people that are not, they get people who are not too, they're confident in how they look. So even to their spouse, they don't want full picture of themselves in front of, say, hey, see my belly or my K-leg, or you know, or my scar firebomb me when I small.
You know, say who wants
You know, precisely. You know, and now why I believe say this now the foundation of the thing.
Yes.
If both of them no fit day free within herself. Even your issues, even like you can talk, even your sexual issues, if you discuss them with your partner, you know, say they easier.
Yes.
For even that's what tolerance and understanding mean. So you go even begin understand, say, okay, because your libido not too high, we go know how we go to
manage.
Yes.
Bimbo, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How you doing, my sister?
Fine, good evening.
What do you get to talk about this evening? You get question to ask Pastor.
I want to commend Pastor for educating us tonight. But I've been married for like 8 years.
Okay.
Yes.
And the first 5 years was stressful with children and all.
Okay.
So I want him to talk on this children sexual satisfaction when you have little kids. How to balance
everything.
that area.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank
Children
you.
enough is enough stress on its own, and balancing it with sexual satisfaction again.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. From the question where she asked, we'll go direct the answer small, even though we are focused with that. But we'll go try direct the answer small to the man. When
you know the annoying from Joss, Smoke will take this call. From Joss, good evening. Good evening. Yes.
All the on, no.
All the on. I ain't fear. All the on.
Hello, Nedu.
Hey, my sister. Mbalo, good evening.
Nedu, good evening.
Good evening.
Nedu, good evening.
Hey, good evening.
Uh-huh. You're always talking about wife. It's for married women. Why are you talking? Are you married?
yes, now
Hello?
Nedu is married, man.
What me? You supposed to ask if Nedu don't marry or you not marry?
Nedu is married, though.
You see,
Are you married, Nedu?
you know you're the pastor talk.
He's not. Where is the wedding ring?
I'm there for my hand now.
Nedu is married, though, with children.
Is he married? Okay.
Yes.
Nedu get 4 children.
Eh?
What about Auntie Katim?
You want Mariam?
I don't know.
Anyway, Mbalo, thank you from Joss. Thank you from Joss. Well, we'll not to get time for today. We go see this topic. Not be one day topic.
We know the effort. Now you make me shout that I say, Nedu.
This topic is like 1 month topic. Sexual satisfaction. We never even start.
Yes, now.
Now the funny thing, we go on top Twitter. Now, Emmanuel Green say, nice, interesting, and sweet topic today. My question to Pastor is that, does he have a book or audio tape on this topic?
As you talk, I'm so. You go soon see him.
You go soon see him.
Now waiting Emmanuel. Okay, now he still ask that question. This one.
And then Mercy Sam say, "Una good evening. I like this topic. I like this topic. It sweet me well. You see, my husband knows I be wiping stars. Now me come the teacher how to wipe.
Finish.
Wow.
Yeah, well done.
Nice one.
Now
woman.
Now woman. Double toilet to you. And then nameless talk say, okay.
No new money. It don't come
Okay.
by.
Okay. Do no live.
Then one say he say he still talk about the missionary style when pastor talk. He say if na by that one.
Okay.
Say na him be say
Anyway,
don't finish.
Time not there for today. I go hand over to Pastor for like
Okay.
1 minute. May Pastor round up for today. On tomorrow, next week Friday, we go continue this topic because we never even start out.
So that
Pastor,
woman
over
where
to you.
talk say pressure and picking, we go answer you next week. We go answer your question because the pressure where women they get, we say, then they feel say the children don't become distraction. Some people never understand. Say some men they beef. Now psychology they beef the child because when it reach time for breast milk and all of that, it be like saying a whole season where man know they get action and they choke him and we go discuss him because as man no gets chance to talk.
Some men know they show him.
No, why you go show him?
No, they not go show him.
Yes, na macho. But that real matter because the pikin don't mark him. The woman go just even free the man.
The woman
sef
will send himself.
The man go sleep for parlor. Nobody go notice. He go wake up, sit now die. I guess so. Say, God go help me. So we go continue this thing.
But it had that in which
now very interesting subject. But as we go tie him up, for this question this woman ask. Now the man will go need to talk to because now him go put some small tolerance and understanding. Say the pikin no be competition, na compliment.
Okay.
So then we go discuss am.
All right. Anyway, double toilet to all of now we call. Those of you who not fit take una calls, I beg make una not vex. Tweet messages we will not read, make una not vex. This topic we never even scratch am. Na him be the thing. We never even scratch am.
But na so they always.
And na so they be. We want make sure say marriages where they there. Pastor here, all of us want make sure say marriage is strong well. Strong well.
Yes,
This 2015. Anyway, double toilet to all of you. Double toilet to Annie Baba and then to K-Moss and every other person we do under the night show.
And
to our beautiful Katim, K-Solo, and then our able DJ. Hey, when they say more give 2 weeks suspension.
Because another person can't say, we'll give her 1 bottle of wine.
One bottle.
Is it too much? Say, you don't collect suffer onto this, onto our show.
Anyway, una good night till Monday.
Give us some fine music for Friday.